India's industrial output showed a modest uptick in Feb 26, with the IIP rising 5.2% year-on-year. This is slightly higher than January's 4.8% growth, indicating a gradual improvement in industrial activity. Passenger vehicles remained strong, with Maruti Suzuki up 11% year-on-year, M&M up 25% year-on-year, and Tata Motors PV rising 28% year-on-year, while EV volumes at Tata surged 77% year-on-year. Bank credit growth remained healthy at 14.3% year-on-year in Feb 26 versus 11.9% in Feb 25 and 14.4% in Jan 26, making the third consecutive month above 14%. Prestige Estates Projects secured a 17.2-acre land parcel in Gurugram with a gross development value (GDV) potential of Rs 4,200 crores. Nestle India will invest Rs 90 crores to add a new Maggi noodle production line at its Gujarat unit. Blinkit launched its service at Mumbai Airport's Terminal 2, marking its entry into airport quick commerce. Bharti Airtel announced an investment of $1 billion in its arm Nextra Data, with AlphaWave Global and Carlyle participating as key investors. Arvind Smart Spaces added its first residential apartment project in Mumbai. It has a top-line potential of Rs 300 crores and a total estimated carpet area of 42,000 square feet. Key events in the upcoming week include US March 26 ISM Services PMI on 6th April 26, India RBI interest rate decision, US FOMC minutes, and Japan Feb 26 current account on 8th April 26. US 4Q CY25 GDP growth rate, US weekly initial jobless claims data, US Feb 26 PCE price index, and US Feb 26 core PCE price index on 9th April 26. US March 26 CPI, US March 26 core CPI, and China March 26 core CPI on 10th April 26. Follow us for more such informative videos.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.